My name's Rob. I'm a retired teacher. I've been in property for 20 to 30 years. This particular property we bought 10 months ago. It's an old Victorian cottage. It's made of brick and stone, and because we're intending to either sell or rent it out, we need to improve its energy efficiency. So we've invested in insulation and we've invested in solar panels to improve its EPC level, so the energy efficiency is better. But I was interested in solar energy because it's a green energy, a friendly source of electric for the house. There's no gas in the village. The only other choice is oil, so therefore it provides us with a cheaper alternative, supplements the electrical usage in the house, and we can sell it back to the grid if we need to do so. In terms of solving problems, we felt that solar offered us the opportunity to improve the quality of the house, also more appealing to prospective buyers and prospective tenants who've become a little bit more discerning with time and more demanding, because obviously they're looking for energy efficient houses because of the cost of living crisis. They provided materials and a conversation that was honest and upfront, prepared to support us to deliver what we wanted. Our concerns over costs were overridden through the conversations we had and the experience we had, so we've been very pleased with the outcome. We picked SolarFast on the website. SolarFast did the assessment online. The initial consultation was an introduction. Our experience was a very good one, and then that confirmed a second consultation which went through the details of the particular product and how it applied to this property. We then agreed on a price and agreed on the product and finalised a date of installation. Within about, I think it was 2 to 4 weeks, the installation was set up. The guys come down from Leeds, an electrician and 2 fitters. Scaffolding had gone up literally that day in the morning. They came down and the electrician completed the connection from the solars to the batteries to the inverters that were put in the loft down to the fuse box, and the fitters completed the installation of about 6 panels within about 4 hours. The site was left tidy, left clean. They were polite, really good, and the scaffolding was taken down that afternoon, so it was done and dusted within 24 hours of the date of agreeing to fit it. SolarFast, in our view, gave a good backup message that they would provide support even after the installation. The fact that it's now working in partnership with Wickes means that you've got a larger company backing SolarFast itself, and therefore in the long term it means I've got somebody else to go to if I've got any challenges or issues I need to pick up. Thus far we haven't had any. It's reassuring. If you're sitting on the fence with respect to solar, my advice to you is, if you are intending to stop in your property for long term, if you have an interest in environmental issues and you want to help contribute to improving your carbon footprint or reducing it, then it's worth investing, but be prepared to take the money back over a long period of time. I would recommend SolarFast. I had a very good experience. We've had a lot of support. We are confident going forward that if we had any issues with the product, then they would step in and address it.